Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can catch the 4 script supervisor bees. So there's a red one, a green one, and a pink and purple one. So for the red one, you'll find it around Whale Mountain. So this is where the red one is. If you kind of look around here, hopefully I find one. There, as you can see, I found one around the bush. And then for the pink and purple one, they will be around the flower fields. So if you go to this section of the map, you'll find the pink and purple one. They'll be right around here, as you can see. I have a video where I caught them. Oh, there's a purple one there. Oops. So it's going to be around this area for the pink and purple one. And last but not least, for the green one, I actually haven't caught it yet, but it is around the beach area. So you're just going to go here and near the plants, you'll find the green one. So I'm just going to look around here and hopefully I find one. But it's going to be around this area near the Amethyst Beach. So yeah, that's where all of the, I keep forgetting what they're called, the script supervisor bees are. So here's the green one. I'm just going to catch them right now. There we go. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!